Is a tomato a fruit or a vegetable? What is the biggest organ in the body? Liver or skin? Are chimpanzees monkeys or apes? If you get 2 out of 3 answers correct, you will win 500 pesos. Are you ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, let's start
I
now.
was born ready.
Wow, I was born ready. Okay. Hi everyone. We would like to give a shout out and thanks to SureThing21 for donating 1,000 pesos to share with today's winners. In today's giveaway, if you get 2 out of 3 answers correct, you will win 500 pesos. To make things fair, each question is a 50-50 chance to win or to answer correctly. So, are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's start now. If you win 500 pesos today, how are you going to spend it?
Um, with my friends po.
Oh, with your friends. Okay. So let's start now, okay? Are chimpanzees monkeys or apes?
Palit po ate.
Are chimpanzees monkeys or apes?
Monkeys po. Monkeys po.
Monkeys is wrong. Oh no. Okay, next. Okay, how about what is the biggest organ in the body? Liver or skin?
Skin.
Skin is correct. Good job. Okay, last one. Okay, last chance. Okay, if you get this right, you will bring home 500 pesos. Okay? Now, okay, are whales, fish or mammals?
Wings. Mammals po.
Mammals is correct. If ever you win 500 pesos, how are you going to spend it?
I will spend it po pang check out sa Shopee.
Check out for Shopee, online shopping. So you like to shop online, right?
Yep. Yes.
And what do you usually buy?
Clothes.
Clothes. I see. Okay. Okay. Anyway, you're still studying, right?
Yes po.
Are you single or in a relationship?
Single.
Single at the moment. Okay. Anyway, here. Okay. If you get 2 out of 3 answers correct, you will win 500 pesos. Okay?
Okay.
Are you ready?
Ready.
All you have to do is choose the correct answer. Okay. So, first one is, are chimpanzees monkeys or apes?
Monkeys.
Monkeys. Okay? That is wrong. Monkey, why did you say monkeys?
So, ang chimpanzee po, itong ganung mga babying
Oh, because she thinks that it's they look like they're baby monkeys. So that's why she said monkeys. But it's not they're apes. Yes. Okay, how about you have 2 more, okay? Okay, next. Or okay, is a tomato a fruit or a vegetable?
Fruit.
Fruit is correct. Okay. One more. Last chance. Last chance, okay? Last chance, babe. Okay. Are whales fish or mammals?
Mammals.
You won. Okay. Go. Babe, if you win 500 pesos, how are you going to spend it?
To buy snacks for my friend and for my family also.
Oh, for your family. Okay. Okay. How many siblings do you have in the family?
So we're 11.
11?
Yeah.
11 and you are the
I'm
what?
the youngest.
The youngest. Okay. 11 siblings. Wow, you are the 12th, right?
I'm 11.
So you have 10
10
siblings. Okay, and you are the 11th. Wow. Are they all like are they done studying or they're still studying or they're working now?
Um, my 6 siblings po are already graduate. Tapos ay
And then, okay, 6 of your siblings graduated already, and then the rest are still studying, right? Okay, including you.
yes.
11. That's crazy. Okay. Anyway, your family, like your parents has a job, right? They both have jobs, right?
Actually, my mother is a vendor and my father is a farmer.
Farmer and the vendor. So this 500 is a big help too, right?
Yes.
Yes, you can even buy a lot of rice already, right? How many pounds of rice for this money? But anyway, wish you all the luck. Okay, good luck. Okay, so here is the thing. Okay, if you get 2 out of 3 answers correct, you will win 500 pesos. Okay,
Yes po.
are you ready
Ready.
for the rice, for the
Yeah.
snacks? Let's do
For
it.
the food.
Yes, for the food. Let's do it. Okay, I mean, okay, yeah. Okay, first one is, are chimpanzees monkeys or apes?
Monkey.
Wrong.
Aw.
Oh no. Okay, you still have 2 more. Okay, you have 2 more. Okay, 2 more left. I want you to answer this correctly, both. Okay, so you can bring home 500. Okay. The second question is, what is the biggest organ in the body? Skin or liver?
Skin.
Skin is correct. Very good. That is correct. 1 more to go. Okay. Last question is, are whales, okay, are whales fish or mammals?
Fish.
Ay, that is wrong. Whales is mammal.
Wow, ba yun?
Yeah. Oh no. If you win 500 pesos today, how are you going to spend it?
So, I will spend it for our research.
If you get 2 out of 3 answers correct, you will win 500 pesos. Are you ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, let's start now.
born ready.
Wow, I was born ready. Okay, look at the camera. Okay, the first one is, okay, are chimpanzees monkeys or apes?
Are chimpanzees monkey or apes? No,
Apes or monkeys?
apes.
That is correct. 1 more to go. 1 more to go, and you will have the 500. Okay. Next is, what is the biggest organ in the body? Skin or liver?
Skin.
Skin is correct. Give me 5. If ever you win 500 pesos, how are you going to spend it?
I will spend it ko sa study ko, of course, and also for my um personal hygiene.
Oh, personal hygiene. So you're someone that takes good care of, yourself, right?
Yes.
Oh, that's good. May we know what's your course?
I'm taking the Bachelor of Physical Education po here in Goa Community College.
And what year are you now?
What?
What year?
I'm a second year
Second year.
college student po.
Okay. Okay. If you get 2 out of 3 answers correct, you will win 500 pesos. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, let's start with number 1. Okay. Are chimpanzees monkeys or apes?
um, apes.
Apes is correct. So 1 more. You can breath now. Okay.
Okay.
1 more and you will win 500, okay? What is the biggest organ of our body, human body? Skin or liver?
Skin.
Skin is correct. There you got 500 pesos. Give me 5. There you go. Well, anyway, thank you so much. Salamat.
Thank you po.
Okay.